Okay, alright. What's good, people? Well, trying to replace the battery in this light. I kind of didn't want to put a newer modern light on the bike that I'm working on, but couldn't find the light that I wanted, so I might have to go with 2 different headlights. Not sure, but let's see. Yep, it works. I think we'll put this one on there. Alright, let's get started. Enjoying this hot weather, I decided to do a little work in the garage, crack the door, taking that cool breeze. Okay. This is from Swin. You usually pick these up at Kmart, Walmart. They come a dime a dozen. However, I've had this particular one for about 2 years now. At the time, they didn't have any, so I had to order it online. But that's okay, because it still works. Of course, I had to change one of the batteries. Well, it still works. Not as bright as I would like, but for my 26-inch Stinger, what's that? Upland? Anyway, 26-inch Stinger. Ugh, excuse me. That particular one is pretty much done, except for the brake cable is badly frayed on the ends. I try to trim it down. It's stretched. It works, but I couldn't get it back into the rail. So other than that, it's pretty much done. Although I would like to ride at night, so I'm gonna use this one for the time being. That means I can't do any like pitch black dark riding or go into any really dark areas until I get a better light. So that's where this one is going. On to that bike. All right. Now, next on the agenda, the Hyper. What is that? A shocker? Hyper shocker? Uh, my full suspension bike. Uh, I would advise anybody that works on their own bikes, if it's got the long skinny neck connected to the handlebars, unless it's a labor of love, don't waste your time. Just buy you another bike. Save up a little extra cash and buy another bike. That one is giving me the blues. I gotta find fasten screws for the crank arms and my brand new brake cable assembly. It's not working properly. Every time I try to adjust it, either gets too snug or not snug enough. So, I'm still going to work with it. I like a challenge. I'm still going to work with it, but once I'm done with that one, I will definitely be looking for an upgrade to that full suspension. It's a decent ride though. I like it. I've gone through the city streets, and in my neighborhood, there are a lot of potholes. So ducking and dodging potholes, going through gravel. Yeah. Nice experience. This light. This is a Blitz 168. Yeah, 168 lumens. I did a did a review on this a while back. I had this one for about a year now. It was just sitting in my box, my parts bin. Charged it up, and this is the result. Now, it looks bright now. That's close up. At night, not so much. It allows you to see a short distance in front of you, but not really be seen unless they're like maybe 10, 15 feet away. But it serves its purpose. So this one is going to go on the full suspension. Okay. Next. This seems to be turned into a light video. Next. Another Blitzu product. Tail light. I was looking for a new tail light about 6 months, 7 months ago. And I saw a review of this particular one on Amazon, as a matter of fact. And man, I like it. I like it a lot. I didn't think it would be that bright in person, but yeah, it is just that bright. Different settings. Now, I've had this one sitting up for a while. I cleaned my garage out, throw some stuff away. And now I can't find the bracket for mounting bracket. But that's okay, because if I have to, I'll just buy another one. That way, if this one wears out, I got a spare. That's a good thing. Okay then. This is a bike alarm. It's a little chain. Let's see. You set your dial like you would a combination lock. And you pull this cord out. And it goes into this. And from what I read online, and from what I saw online, once it gets pulled hard enough, it will beep, I think, once or twice. And then it'll just go into this long, loud, obnoxious noise making. As you can see, I don't have batteries. I have to get some batteries. But as soon as I do, I definitely will be making a review on this one. So, that ends our session for today. Thank you for hanging out. I'll talk to you later.